So lately, I've been getting some questions in the comment section asking for recommendations on how to actually fix um, bleached skin, damaged skin, and it's occurred to me that I've not even talked about this particular aspect before. So it's for this reason that I'm making this video today. So if you're struggling with a damaged skin or a bleached skin and you want to know how to fix it, you do not click away. Stay tuned to the end of the video, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Chama Akujeze, and as you all know, here on this channel we do basically skincare tips, product reviews, and once in a while we share some DIY tips. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about ways and actually how to do what? Repair a damaged skin and fix your damaged skin. So it's not a new thing, or it's not so surprising that the desire to actually have a light skin is actually making a lot of us go like a wire. Some people are actually ready to spend their last couple on getting skincare ingredients that will bleach them. See the skin bleaching, not lightening. I said skin bleaching because anything that will bleach your skin is going to damage your skin, okay? So I said skin bleaching. So you see this skin bleaching, most times it happens to us unconsciously and consciously. Sometimes we are conscious of it, sometimes we are unconscious of it. And if you do not really have full understanding about how most of these skincare products works, you end up buying bleaching products and you'll be shocked at the results you'll be getting from your skin. Let me put this disclaimer here. I'm not downcasting anybody or making you feel less of yourself if you've actually lightened up your skin like 2 or 4 shades lighter. Come on, that's not the reason, or that's not the reason for this video. The reason I'm making this video is to educate you, is also to enlighten you on products to use, on what not to use, and telling you the best way out of it, okay? So what are the signs that your skin needs to be fixed? What are the signs of a damaged skin? A damaged skin doesn't really mean that you'll be having Coke, Fanta, and Sprites. You know, the sign of a damaged skin is dryness, because anything that will lighten you, that will bleach you, will strip you off of a lot of moisture and hydration. And it doesn't just end here, just the surface. It actually enters into the body, okay, in case you don't know. So we need to be very, very mindful of this, okay? We need to be very, very mindful of it, and we need to be very, very cautious of the kind of products that we use on our skin. Dull skin, flaky skin, irritated skin is also a sign of a damaged skin. That means the skin's barrier, your skin barrier has been disrupted. Fine lines and wrinkles. When you use too much lightening product, when you use products that have strong lightening effects, hydroquinone, we have harsh steroids, mercury. So you need to actually take note of these things. Another sign is visible green veins. Notice that all of a sudden you're beginning to have green veins. It's also a sign that the skin barrier has been disrupted. Another one is uneven skin tone, a lot of hyperpigmentation and discoloration. The next one is rashes. So when you start seeing signs like this, on your skin, it's actually a sign that your skin barrier has actually been disrupted, okay? So it's not until because what we all know basically is the discoloration part. Eczema can also be a part of it, because there's a kind of lotion that you use that will strip you from a lot of hydration and moisturization. The reason is going to just be whitening you, stripping you of all the goodies that your skin needs. It's going to cause eczema for your skin, okay? So basically these are most of the signs. So it is not until you're having black and white or Coke and Fanta with Sprite that is the only way you can say, oh, this person has bleached their skin. So the next we're going to be looking at right now is steps on how to actually do what? Recover, if that's the word, recover back your skin and repair your damaged skin, okay? So now the first thing you want to do is, number one, stop using that lightening product that you are using before, or do not go and get another lightening product. Or if you've been using any lightening product before, discontinue to use the lightening products you are using before. Because I've seen cases whereby, okay, let's say part of your skin here was maybe part of your arm, you're having like discoloration or serious discoloration on your face and your body. It's actually a product that actually puts you in that state. Instead of it to just do what? Give your skin a break. The next thing you go to do is to go and get another lightening product for your skin. So it's wrong. So the first thing you want to make sure that you are doing is to do what? Stay away from lightening products. The step thing you want to make sure that you're doing is what? Start using moisturizing products, hydration products. So you want to make sure that you're going to begin to do what? Incorporate moisturizing and hydrating products in your skincare routine. So now I'm going to be recommending some products for you guys here. So if you have a pen, you have a paper, you want to put it down, okay? Well, the first product here that will actually help for your healing and your repairing process is aloe vera. Aloe vera is so soothing to the skin, especially when it comes to burns. If you're having burns on your skin or even rashes, and why I said rashes or even most times even pimples, why I said that is because of the moisturizing and hydrating benefits it actually gives to the skin. Okay, the second product here on my list is what? Shea butter. Yes, like I cannot list products that's going to help to fix and repair damaged skin and omit shea butter. Oh my god, like it's an error, because shea butter has a high concentration of what? Fatty acid and vitamin C that helps to do what? Hydrate and moisturize the skin. Shea butter will also help to do what? It give you an even toned skin. So when it comes to hydration and also moisturization, shea butter is going to give you those benefits. Okay, like it helps to take care of dry, flaky skin and give you a soft and a very smooth skin. That is why in most of our skincare products, shea butter is actually one very good potent ingredient that is actually added to actually do what? To help in moisturization and hydration. Okay, it also helps to lock in moisture. Shea butter too is good when it comes to taking care of stretch marks. It will also help to actually build what? Collagen production. So the first product here that you should not miss out on is aloe vera. The second product is shea butter, and the third one here, body oils. Oh my god, body oils. Like, do not omit body oils in your skincare routine when you want to treat damaged or oily skin. One very good body oil is black castor oil. This oil has been known to do what? To treat chemical damaged skin. It actually penetrates into the skin and does what? Remove toxin in the skin. So black castor oil is very good when it also comes to treating damaged skin. Another one is vitamin E oil. Another one is cold pressed coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, jojoba oil, and lavender oil. And this lavender oil, okay, the other ones I've mentioned are very good, but let me talk about this lavender oil. Lavender oil is very good because anything that actually has lavender has antiseptic properties, because which actually helps when it comes to rashes or you're having any kind of skin irritation. It's going to help take care of that. Okay, so yes, lavender oil. There's even body butters too. And the next thing you want to do is you want to start using lotions. You want to start incorporating lotions that will do what? That will moisturize your skin, that will hydrate your skin, that will actually help you do what? Maintain your skin, that will not bleach you. Even for your face, serums too. You want to make sure that you're using serums. If you do not know serums to actually use that will help for hyperpigmentation or hyperpigmentation marks, discoloration, I've done that here. I've reviewed serums here on my channel, so if you have not seen that video, it's also going to be in my description box down below, or I might just put it up here. Okay, so if you're having issues with sunburn and scars, so not just only serums, you should also incorporate retinol. Retinol to also help for hydration and what? Moisturization. Okay, so you should also incorporate, it also helps to soothing the skin, this ingredient. So with using products that actually have retinol will actually help you do what? Soften your skin, build that collagen for your skin. It also helps to treat your sunburn. Okay, so that is that about the products here. Another step that you need to actually take note of is avoid using soaps or shower gel that whitens up your skin. Avoid using soaps, either bar soaps, shower gel that will do what? That will strip you of moisture, that will whiten up your skin. Stay away from them. That is going to dry up your skin. Please, you want to make sure that you are staying away from them, okay? I'm not saying that they are bad, but because of the situation your skin is right now, you want to make sure that you are staying away from product like that, because they are going to do more, like, they're not really going to do so good for your skin. But once your skin is balanced, you've treated your skin, you don't have any issue that you're treating, you can actually use them in a way to actually do what? Lightening or to lighten or brighten up your skin a little bit, okay? So the next step you want to make sure that you are doing is you need to be intentional about your skin. You need to be intentional, you need to be patient, you need to be consistent about your skin. Because a lot of us just expect a miracle. I'm sorry, the skin does not really work like that. The skin is actually the largest organ on our body, and you need to be very, very mindful of anything that you are using on your skin. Spring on street issues of damaged skin, bleached skin, it usually takes 2 to 3 months, sometimes even 4, depending on the kind of products and depending on how consistent you are with the products that you are using, okay? So you need to actually give it time. You need to be intentional. You need to be intentional. You need to be consistent for you to actually do what? For you to actually see the result that you seek, okay? Next thing you want to do is take fruits. You want to make sure that you're taking a lot of healthy fruits and you're taking a lot of water and supplements. So, because it's actually what you feed in to your skin is what actually brings out on your skin. You want to make sure you're taking a lot of healthy fruits, water, and supplements. So if you're confused on actually supplements to use to actually glow your skin, to repair your skin, I've reviewed it here on the I've reviewed it here on my channel. I'm going to leave the picture of it here so you can be able to access it easily, and link is going to be here, and also in my description box it's going to be there. Take your sunscreen seriously. I've been preaching about this for a very long time. Sunscreen is just the way of you protecting your skin from the sun rays and making sure that the ingredients you are using is you're going to see the effects of it, especially if you're always going out in the sun. Mind you, if you're not going anywhere, you're just in your house from morning to night. If you're not going anywhere, you're just in your house. But once you're going out, you're going to be exposed to the sun, right? So you need to use a sunscreen. I've actually reviewed video on my channel concerning sunscreens here. If you have not seen that video, after this video, please go and check out that video to know the sunscreen is going to suit so well for your skin, okay? Because sunscreen is very, very important. A subscriber reached out to me, like I was saying earlier, and she was asking me, can she use sunscreen in the house, like if she's not going out? And the answer is no. You only use sunscreen when you are going out to the sun, okay? So the next step is slow down on your exfoliation. You know you are repairing your skin already, so you want to make sure that you reduce the exfoliation for some time. Not that you're not going to exfoliate, you are going to exfoliate, but you need to slow down on your exfoliation. Like if you used to exfoliate like twice in a week or thrice in a week, you're going to be doing it like once in a week, okay? So you do not make your skin too sensitive, so that you do not increase the sensitivity level of your skin, okay? And treat your body parts differently. Wherever you have the hyperpigmentation, you want to make sure that you are focusing on that area, okay? There's a tendency that you might actually get dark. Don't be scared, but the thing is, don't be scared or don't be anxious of getting dark, okay? It's part of the words. It's part of the healing process. It's part of the recovering process. Your focus should be more on repairing your skin, okay? Making sure your skin gets back to that healthy stage. I've actually done videos for you on how to actually brighten up your skin without bleaching. I've done two or three without bleaching, using good safe brightening products that do not have hydroquinone, that don't have harsh steroids in them, and that do not have mercury. I've actually done a video on that you're going to use to actually do what? Brighten up your skin without bleaching, okay? That's going to be all for today's video. I hope you found this video really, really helpful. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video now, subscribe to be part of the family, share to friends, share to someone who actually found this video helpful. And yeah, check out my previous videos because whatever shade you are, your skin falls into, appreciate your skin. What you should be focused is building up your skin, giving yourself that attractive looking skin, making sure your skin is healthy because your skin says a lot about you. Thank you so much for stopping by for today's video. Thank you so much. Like I said earlier, like this video, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or suggestions or recommendations for me, come out to the comment section and put it down there. Okay, thank you once again, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.